to good habits make the world so sweet. Brush your teeth morning and night. Eat healthy food, fruits and veggies right. Pick up toys and clean your room. Be kind to everyone, let kindness bloom. Good habits make your heart so bright. Say sorry when you make a mistake. Wait your turn, be polite and awake. Use gentle words, don't shout or fight. Help your friends make their day light. Good manners make the world feel right. Drink water, sleep on time. Listen to teachers, follow every sign. Take care of pets and nature too. Smile every day, it feels so new. Good habits and manners are for me and you. Please, thank you, sorry too. Wash, brush, share and help, woohoo. Good habits make us happy, kind and bright. Let's all